Peppa Pig's Bedtime by Ladybird Books. Yawn, says Peppa and George together. They are both very sleepy. Time for bed, sleepyheads, says Mummy Pig. Peppa and George hop into their bunk beds. Daddy Pig tucks the little piggies in. Night-night, Peppa. Night-night, George. Close your eyes, says Mummy Pig, turning off the light. It's time for Peppa and George to go to sleep. Snore, snore, snort Mummy and Daddy Pig. It's time for them to go to sleep too.